Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful popsicle lamp. So I start with making a square with 4 popsicles. I'll continue doing the squares. I did about 70 to 80 squares. I'm stacking it on top of one another so that all the squares are of the same size. I'm not actually attaching them to one another. So now I am going to attach the squares to one another. So every time I do, I will tilt a little bit from the previous square. As you can see, I'll move a little away from the previous one. Now you can see the curve is forming. I'll continue with all the squares. You have to be very careful with each and every square, placing it on top of one, because it might tilt and bend towards one side. And that's it. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.